I started my YouTube channel on February 16th of 2025. I had 1,000 subscribers on May 10th of 2025, and I was officially monetized by May 16th, 2025, which means I got my YouTube channel monetized in less than 3 months, and it is currently making more than $1,000 per month using AdSense alone. In this video today, we're going to talk about the things that I did, the things that I didn't do, and the things that I think are the reason why the channel got monetized as quickly as it did, and hopefully you can do the same. A little backstory about who I am. My name is Nikki, and I started documenting my weight loss back in 2023 over on TikTok, and then eventually I finally brought it over to YouTube. I actually tried YouTube last year in February of 2024 and ended up completely ruining that channel, throwing it out, starting over and starting fresh on February 16th of 2025. And the difference between the two channels is night and day when it comes to growth. I was never able to get my first channel monetized at all, and I know exactly why. At least I think I know exactly why, and I plan to share that with you guys in this video today. And then this new channel, I did things that I do fully believe are the reason why it got monetized. And I think that if you do these things, then you will also be able to monetize your channel. We're going to talk about all those things in this video today, but just know that YouTube, in my opinion, is the best place to create content. It is my home base now, even after being on TikTok for over 2 years. If I could completely stop posting on TikTok, I would. This is the platform that you want to grow on. On February 16th, I started over on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is called the GLP-1 Girl Code, and it is all about my weight loss journey, tracking it, doing weekly weigh-ins, educating on GLP-1 medications, and I currently have over 6,700 subscribers, and I just finished month 5. I'm entering month 6. I do plan to hit 10K soon, and I'm very excited about that. I never actually thought that it was possible for my YouTube channel to grow this quickly, but because it has, I just want to share and document the things that I've done and the things that I, more importantly, haven't done to make that happen. So let's get into the things that I did do. The first thing that I made sure to do is get as many videos out as quickly as possible, which means that I was posting 3 videos per week at the beginning. I think it's extremely important to get as many videos out as quickly as possible, because when someone finds your channel, they're going to want to binge your content. And if you only have one video, they're less likely to subscribe to your channel because they don't know if you're really in it for real or if you're just playing around with YouTube. But if you have more videos in your library, they are going to be much more likely to hit that subscribe button and binge your content. Which means if I were starting a brand new YouTube channel like this one right here, I would put out 3 videos immediately. Get 3 videos recorded, edited. When you are ready to launch your channel, boom, 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 all 3 videos on your channel. That's what I'm gonna do on this channel, and we will see how that goes. So alongside documenting how my other channel is growing, we are also going to document how this channel is growing, because I'm going to do the exact same things that I did on that channel on this channel, and we will see if it's repeatable. We'll see if the things that I did over there work on this channel as well, because they are 2 totally different niches. My niche over there is weight loss completely. This is going to be all about documenting my journey creating a business from scratch. So what type of videos did I post? I posted searchable SEO related videos. I didn't do any ridiculous SEO research or anything like that. What I did was I paid attention to my home tab, and all of the videos that were weight loss related that were being shown in my home tab, I used those titles to come up with videos of my own, because I knew that YouTube was already pushing them to people like me who likes my type of content. I would recommend spending your time in your home tab, looking at those titles, reproducing those titles. What can you pull from those and create your own video about that exact same title. All of these titles can easily be used in other niches as well. So I would look at other niches. For example, I did a repeatable video when it comes to YouTube growth, and a lot of people were making these videos saying that YouTube is in easy mode. So I went ahead and I created a video called Weight Loss is in Easy Mode, using bingeable titles as a way to recreate your own personal story is what helped me grow so quickly, because that's what people were searching, that's what people wanted to watch. And if they had already watched a title that was similar to that one, then it would get shown on their home tab. And even though like my videos didn't have very many views, they were getting pushed out to the home tab. I will tell you that I did not see any traction until month 2. So the entire first month, I posted 3 times per week and saw no traction. I was getting like 30 views per video or less. But at some point, and I believe it was my 10th video, that video picked up and I was like, okay, hold on, wait, this could work. And then after that, they all started picking up more and more and more. And now my videos typically get between 2,000 and 3,000 views every time I upload, with 6,700 subscribers, and I'm making over $1,000 per month on AdSense alone. So that's not even bringing in all the other places that I am making money thanks to YouTube. And we'll get into that in other videos. In regards to posting 3 times per week, I did not have an official schedule. I would literally film a video, edit it, put it up as soon as I can, and then I would repeat that over and over and over. I did not have any type of schedule where I was posting the exact same 3 days per week. That I do not think is necessary. I just think it's necessary to get videos out as quickly as possible and make sure that they are quality videos. You cannot just put videos out. Like you have to edit. I do believe that you have to edit your videos. You cannot keep the ums and the ahs and the video has to keep moving with your language. The pauses and the breaks, you can't have that. You also need to make sure that your sound quality is good. Your video quality has to be good as well. But luckily for us, iPhones have amazing video quality. So that's really not a concern. You can use your iPhone, you can use your phone. Just make sure that you have a good mic or a good audio quality and there's nothing in the background. You need to make sure that you are talking to the camera. Do you see how I'm looking at the camera? Do not look at yourself. Now I'm looking at myself. You need to talk to the camera. I think that's one of my biggest pet peeves. And if it's my pet peeve, it's probably other people's pet peeve. But you need to look at the camera lens. Do not look at yourself while you're making a video. There are certain things, and we can get more into this part in another video, but there are certain things that I do believe a content creator needs to have. And the thing is that because I've been creating content for over 2 years, I am comfortable on camera. You may not be comfortable on camera, and that's something that needs to get fixed like as soon as possible. You need to show up on camera every single day, even if that's just in your camera roll and you're getting yourself comfortable talking to the lens, figuring out where to look. Don't look over like you need to figure out where to look. You need to figure out how to talk without the ums and the ahs. And if you do have them, take them out, edit them out. I use CapCut to edit. You can't just show up and not have any kind of performance ability. I guess I would describe it. And I'm not saying that you have to be completely polished, because I'm showing up here with no makeup on. My hair is a mess, but you do need to make sure that you are editing and you need to make sure that you are talking clearly without the ums and the ahs. So there are some people that will post vertical videos on YouTube. Those aren't going to work unless you are a shorts channel. You need to be posting horizontally. There's a lot of things that go into it, I believe, but they're not difficult things. Like, they're these little tiny things that you can do to make sure that your video quality is good so that people want to watch it and people will sit down and watch it. I don't think that you have to have B-roll. My videos don't have B-roll. My videos will have a couple text on screen or pictures that pop up, but nothing insane. I don't do the zoom in and zoom out stuff That's maybe one day if I hire an editor, that my editor could do that one day, but that's not something that I've done so far. And I've grown pretty quickly, not virally, right? I have not really gone viral, but I have grown quickly and steady and not overwhelming. And I'm making a decent amount of money already from my YouTube channel. Here's the part where people get angry at me, but I did not post any shorts. In my opinion, my very first channel that I started in February 2024 got ruined because of shorts. Once your channel becomes a shorts channel and all of your subscribers have subscribed to your channel from shorts, now your channel is a shorts channel and your shorts are going to do well and your long form is going to fail. And I will stand behind that 100%. And people get so mad at me when I say this. And I think it's because they're already a shorts channel and they don't want to admit to themselves that they have a shorts channel and that they probably have to start a new channel. But that's what I did. I threw away my other channel. I had over 2,000 subscribers. I stopped it because 95% of those subscribers subscribed from shorts. Once your channel becomes a shorts channel, it needs to stay a shorts channel. Your long form will not succeed. Now, I am not a YouTube guru, but I do believe this, and it is something that I've stood by. I have not posted any shorts on my other channel, and it has grown pretty steadily, pretty quickly. And not only that, so not only has it grown, but because it is long form content only, I am making more than $1,000 from AdSense every 30 days with 6,000 subscribers, which means that as I grow to 12,000, now I'm making 2,000, 24,000, now I'm making 4,000, right? So as I grow and I continue to be a long form channel, now I have the potential to make full-time income from AdSense alone. And I don't believe that you should only be relying on AdSense. We'll talk about the other streams of income that I have coming in thanks to YouTube and how I plan to make a full-time income. My goal is $10,000 months, and we'll talk about all of that on this channel. But you need to know that if your channel is currently a shorts channel, you need to think about restarting your channel and not posting shorts. You can keep that shorts channel, keep posting shorts on that channel, but start a brand new long form channel. Just know that you're not going to make very good money from shorts alone. I am sharing on this channel my story, my journey to getting my channel monetized, to building a business from scratch. I literally just made the GLP-1 Girl Code an LLC last week. This is a brand new business venture, and I plan to share everything with you guys here on this channel. But just remember that I'm going to share with you the things that worked and the things that didn't work. And you don't have to agree. You don't have to take my word for it, but it is my story. It is my journey. And that's what worked for me. You have the potential to grow a YouTube channel and be successful. You just have to find a person that you need to help and help that person, and the rest of them will come. This is just the beginning of this channel, and I'm so excited. I am so excited to share everything. This is behind the GLP-1 Girl Code, sharing with you exactly how I build my business from scratch. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what questions you have. What videos would you like me to make? Because I will make those videos for you. This channel is going to hopefully help you start your YouTube channel or fix your YouTube channel or start your own business from scratch. And I'm so excited. Okay, go ahead and watch this video next, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.